"Och, you daft eejit. Gather round for another tale of the infamous Kevin and Lance, those two absolute numpties who seem to turn everything they touch into a disaster." It all started on a dry Monday morning, Kevin slinging donuts at the local shop, and Lance making sandwiches for the office drones were sick to their teeth with their boring jobs. "I've had it with this shite," Kevin moaned, his apron covered in powdered sugar. "We need to shake things up." Lance, always up for a half-baked idea, agreed. "Aye, let's swap jobs. You day sandwiches and I'll day donuts. Easy peasy, right?" With that brilliant plan, the two set off to their new roles, ready to make a royal mess. Kevin, now in Lance's sandwich shop, decided to showcase his culinary skills. "Wait till they try my haggis sandwich," he boasted, remembering the one thing he didn't have flunk at in cooking school, even if it made folk puke like they'd been poisoned. He slapped together haggis neeps and tatties between two slices of bread and started serving them up to unsuspecting customers. Within the hour, the shop turned into a scene for a horror film. Folk were puking everywhere, on the tables, the floors, each ether. The place was a swirling vortex of vomit. Kevin stood there proud as punch until he realised the extent of the chaos. "Oh, shite!" he exclaimed, skidding on a puddle of sick. "This didn't go as planned?" Meanwhile, Lance had taken over the donut shop, thinking it was the cushiest gig in town. He dumped a heap of dough into the oven, set it to max, and decided to nip out to the alley for a quick smoke of the devil's lettuce. Lazing about in a haze of green smoke, he lost track of time. When he finally staggered back inside, the smell hit him like a ton of bricks. The donut shop was ablaze. "Oh, bloody hell!" Lance yelped, eyes wide as saucers, seeing the inferno spreading through the shop. With nae a thought to extinguish it, he bolted, legging it down the street just as Constable Hamish showed up, scratching his head at the sight of the fiery bakery. By the end of the day, both shops were wrecked, and our heroes were sitting in a pub, reeking of smoke and sick, pondering their catastrophic career choices. "Well, that was a shambles," Kevin admitted, nursing a pint. "Aye," Lance agreed, wiping soot off his face. "Maybe we're better off sticking to what we can." And so the tale of Kevin and Lance's job switcheroo went down in history as a lesson to all except your station in life, unless you fancy a day filled with puke and fire. Slant you dafties. "Oh, I cannae believe you haven't yet liked or nae subscribed." "Smash that like button, you wee bastard."